Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth on the iPad and keeping the Bluetooth settings screen visible so pairing prompts appear. Open your Airpods case with the earbuds inside and hold it next to the iPad. This forces the devices into discovery. Once done, make sure the Airpods have some charge, since low battery can prevent pairing. You're initiating a direct handshake between devices, so proximity and an active Bluetooth scan are why these steps matter. When the iPad detects the Airpods, a pairing card appears on screen. Tap Connect to accept the handshake. If you have older Airpods, press and hold the case setup button until the status light flashes white. This manually triggers pairing. Once connected, verify by opening Control Center and choosing Airpods as the audio output. This confirms the iPad routes sound correctly. Make sure automatic ear detection and microphone settings match how you plan to use. Finish by playing audio and making a quick call to confirm both audio and microphone work. This validates left and right channels and the default mic. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on or restart your iPad, since temporary software glitches often block connection. If problems persist, reset the Airpods. With the lid open, hold the case button about 15 seconds until the light changes amber then white, then repeat the pairing steps. That reset clears stored pairings and resolves stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.